Hello, today we're playing Paper.io number 2, and let's start. Oh, come on, I gotta kill it. So, me and my brother are doing a challenge. And Paper.io, thank you for killing me. So we're trying to do, the skins challenge. So we're trying to unlock Baby Yoda with 0 kills and cover 50% of the map. We might as well be able to get the Chess Queen if we also go up to 80% of the map. Let's go in as let's go in as a Pennywise. And yeah, let's get into it. Oh yes, just what we need. So our tactic is to stay on the side, and when we see someone we go back, just like this. Just like that. So we're gonna go forward.
When the forward line goes to the back line, it gets the 100%.
Oh no.
Oh.
Hard luck. But we have a load of tries. We have exactly 13 minutes to try this. Perfect oval. Perfect oval. Except for that lump that I just made. Alright, we're first in the lead. Never mind. The same guy keeps getting me. Looks like we're gonna have to try and survive without with 0 kills. And get to 50%.
The guy that keeps killing me is second.
Peru. Alright.
How about we change game?
No, it doesn't work in different game modes. This guy is first. He looks tiny.
In speed game mode, it works in
No, they don't. The challenges don't work in different game modes. Alright. If I get to this side, and if I go all around the circle, well, that means I get 100%. Alright, we're going in for it. Alright, so we're going this way. Alright, there's Mr. Cat over there, so let's go back here. Let's extend this a little bit so we can come back here if we need to. Bring that back up here and bring that there. Pull this out, take a big chunk of this guy. What?
you ran into the right thing.
What happens if I run into the right thing?
You ran into the thing, so basically.
Sebastian Exen. Alright, let's hope to spawn at the side. We got close though. We got close. Alright, yeah, definitely close. Wait, that was just a complete mess. Alright, we're back at the same place. Let's see if I can actually get this time. Alright, we got that. Alright, 9 more minutes, guys. Let's see if we have this. Alright, Howlux is literally the guy that we needed to knock out and then try again. Because he is literally demolishing everyone in that server. Alright, let's see where he's at. Alright, I'm not really near him this time, so that's just lucky. My mouse is connected. Alright, let's try again. Bro, I didn't kill you, so why did you kill me?
Maybe it's because you didn't
Probably.
You should make your thing that big. You should make it that big. So you will get
Alright, this is the guy. What? Alright, looks like he's, let's see how much he's, 8%, and he's somewhere down here. Alright, let's see if I can move down this way. Come on, I got a kill. I'm supposed to have 0. Alright, 7 minutes, guys. 7.
Ooh, that was nice though.
Alright, at least I died. Let's try get 0 kills. I need to keep in my head that I need to get 0 kills.
Oh, why do you want 0 kills?
Because that's how you'd have to do the challenge. 0 kills. Wait, what? I didn't see what was happening there. 6 minutes.
Maybe we should end the challenge and try. There's a better way to do it. I think.
Wait, so if I go all around, does that mean I get the entire map?
Yep.
Did
That's impossible. Yes.
Alright, let's try this again.
I know it works though. I know it works. The biggest person in the game. Here we come. And here we come. He sliced him. Oh, he just got killed. Oh, I jinxed everything.
I'm already 8%.
That was I have no other words to that.
My headset is connected. Alright, we're back, guys.
And also-
And, let's give this another shot.
And
We have
guys,
4 minutes.
Guys, while you're at it, hit the subscribe button and the like button and activate notifications for more videos. Why are you twitching?
What do you mean twitching?
Your eyes twitching.
Alright. This is going well so far. No. Alright guys, we have 3 minutes left. If I die this time, well that means I'm gonna end this for today. And I'll see you guys next time. Please make sure to go down there, press that subscribe button. And if you want to see a blue thumbs up, well then just press that white thumbs up button and you'll see it blue. It'll be blue. And then click the bell icon to get notified whenever I either go live or post another video.